state ko to.
Welcome back to Libertas. This is Tonino Abana with Pompey Lavinia, the social media director of the Duterte campaign. Before the break, someone texted, nagsawa na daw sa kasinungalingan ni Aquino et al. Ang tao, kaya si Duterte ang binoto nila. Is that what happened?
Obviously, for a lot of voters, yes, but probably that's not the only reason. I would still think that crime, corruption, and drugs were the winning issues for Duterte.
Okay. I have another text from Negros Oriental, Dumaguete. Good PM, meron lang kaming tanong, ano kaya ang mangyayari sa bansa nating ganito, pag ganito ang ating administrasyon, lagi na lang patayan, wala na bang ibang solusyon? Kasi kawawa ang buhay ng tao, kasi tao naman tayo, wala na ba siyang awa? From Negros.
Well, I think if they follow the law, di ba? Huwag silang pumasok sa droga, korupsyon, di ba? Krimen, wala namang problema. If you go to Davao palaging pinipoint out namin sa our Exhibit A. I think you have roots there, Tonino.
Yeah, I'm from Davao.
I mean, hindi kawawa mga tao doon. Nakangiti lahat ng tao doon at lahat humahalik kay Duterte. I mean, they wouldn't do that kung dictator yan, di ba?
Ito nakalagay. Ngayon pa lang, marami nang nahuhuli, mga user at pusher, kusa sumusuko. Thanks sa new president. Buti siya ang nanalo. Sir, good evening. Dapat mga tanong na taong naging dahilan ng mga drugs tulad ng mga Chinese, sila ang nagdala ng drugs sa Pilipinas. Chinese dapat ipahuli ni Duterte. I think may mga nahuhuli naman sa mga drug operation, right?
Correct. At saka actually, one reason na talagang Mayor Duterte went against drugs so hard is because he felt it's a national security issue. No? Kasi totoo yan, maraming bumibenta ng droga dito are not even Filipino. They're Chinese nationals.
Right.
Not Filipino-Chinese, but Chinese nationals. They don't even speak Tagalog. They just come here to sell drugs. So maybe there's even the suspicion there, that maybe there's something more there. But whatever it is, yung scale ng problema is such na national security is already threatened.
Okay. I have a texter from Region 2. Sana tulungan ni President Duterte si Bongbong Marcos, bigyan ng hustisya ang pandarayang nangyari sa kanya. At sana mabigyan daw siya ng posisyon after 1 year. So, support ni Bongbong.
On the issue of Pandaraya, I think that's the realm of the COMELEC. And then the appointment after 1 year, that's the total discretion of the President.
So I have another texter from Bukidnon. Sana bigyan ng pansin ni Digong ang fake gold industry ng Sinuda, Kitaw-Taw, Bukidnon.
Yes.
Another one, Sir, good evening. Dapat may masampulan na Police General na mapatunayan na involved sa droga, bitay agad. Ado from Mindanao. Good evening, sir. Sa administration ni Duterte ngayon, ipagpapatuloy po ba ang 4Ps? Ayan yung pambansang pantawid pamilya or yung dole.
I think klaro-klaro si President Duterte no, that they will even expand the 4Ps. Not only retain, but expand. Pinag-aaralan pa siguro nila, but some are saying dapat may kasamang bigas, di ba? But some are also saying that dapat may transition siya into something na maging independent eventually yung beneficiaries. But definitely, hindi tatanggalin yan.
From Southern Negros, kailan daw mag-name si President Duterte ng mga mayor na involved sa drugs?
Malapit na yan. Malapit na.
So may information kayo, ha? Daming nagte-text, grabe. Where the hell did President Duterte get that intel? A1 intel, first time in history. President himself revealed 5 narco generals from Loida of Cagayan de Oro. Magandang gabi, Libertas. Pwede po bang pagtuunan ng pansin dyan? Pa sa Pasig, dating Shabu, Tiangge, tuloy pa rin ang bentahan. Sa Pasig naman, taga-Pasig siguro to.
Yeah. Alam mo, Tonino, I was invited to address a joint conference of the AFP and the PNP, actually on social media, sa July 15. So maybe that's one of the things na I'll suggest because ito isang paraan to get leads, di ba?
Right.
To verify leads, also to not everything naman na tinetext dyan necessarily totoo. But at least it's a way for them to cast a wider net, di ba?
Is it true that Duterte warns the drug lords outside the country will be killed once they step into NAIA? Talking about the foreign drug lords siguro.
Yes.
Good evening po. Para sa akin, dapat talaga si Duterte ang nanalo dahil siya lang inaasahan naming masugpo ang krimen sa ating bansa. So a lot of supporters.
Dami palang nanonood ng show
Of
mo.
course, this is nationwide. Sabihin nyo lang kung taga saan kayo para malaman ni Mr. Lavinia.
Babatiin ko muna lahat ng taga Cagayan de Oro. That's where I'm from,
Taga
Tonino.
Cagayan de Oro po si
Yes,
Pompey Lavinia. And he's also related to the Lavinas of Davao, tama?
Yes, all the Lavinias are related. You know, it's not a common last name. We all trace our origins to Cavite.
And
Philippine
I think
Revolution.
Mr. Lavinia or Pompey Lavinia will also be involved heavily in the campaign to change our constitution. Federalism is one of his advocacies.
Siguro, kaya nga naghirap tayong mananalo si President Duterte because it will open up the door for real change, and real change is federalism, di ba? One of the changes being, who knows, baka last president na natin si Duterte at ang susunod ay Prime Minister na.
From Pasig, magandang gabi po. Pwede bang ito na yung tungkol dun sa, he just repeated it. Yeah. Sir Lavinia, admin ka rin ba ng mga Duterte movements sa Facebook?
Yes, definitely. Yun ang isa pang role ko, Tonino. A lot of the big groups, in-invite din ako maging admin. Ina-add nila ako maging admin. Now, admin basically means pwede kang pumasok doon, pwede kang mag-post, pwede kang automatically mag-share ng messages, di ba? Like a lot, yung ibang OFW groups, Tonino, believe it or not, umaabot ng 2 million, 1.5 million. So, kung admin ka doon at pwede kang mag-post doon directly, you're able to reach a big audience agad. Diba?
From Bohol, dapat daw patayin lahat ng sabit sa droga. Ang dami man nagte-text, sana mabasa ko lahat. Sana po ituloy ni Duterte ang 4Ps.
Yes.
Kasi maraming natutulungan. Katulad ko. Sir, wala pong drug lord dito sa Iloilo na pinatay. Report pa na walang... Meron ba dyan?
Tingnan natin, di ba? Hindi naman pwedeng tira lang tayo ng tira na hindi naman alam ng
Ito
presidente.
taga-Butuan. Dapat daw firing squad yung 5 general na mapatunayan na protector ng droga. Taga-Butuan yan.
Ang gusto nga ni President Duterte, bitay mas masakit daw, mas deterrent, mas malaking punishment.
Marami daw drugs sa Camiguin. Please, maawa po kayo. Mga politicians, Sally Cagayan de Oro. Maraming salamat.
Camiguin is close to my heart, Tonino, because my grandfather was the congressman from Misamis Oriental, which included Camiguin, and in the first the Philippine Assembly, the first one.
Dapat bitayin ang apektuhan na involved sa drugs from Palawan. So we're getting text
Sino kaya yan sa Palawan?
From all over. Good evening po. Naman yung mga mayor na korap at mapagsamantala, dapat po mapatalsik ang mayor na Mandaraya. Hindi naman nagsabi.
Daming galit sa mayor,
From Kabadbaran, good evening. Ang totoo na pagbabago ng adik, pagpatay. Kabadbaran. Good evening. Sana po lahat ng manggagawa, laborer, sales girl, tulad ng mga nasa mall, pantay-pantay po ang sahod. I think he made a statement about contractualization. No?
Yes.
One of his statements is yung at least maging permanent naman yung mga contractual.
Yes, I think meron ng bill yata or no. But I think naman na maganda kay Secretary Bello, he's also consulting muna yung employers also.
Ito, taga Bohol. Kudos to Duterte administration. So proud of Mayor Evasco being part of the cabinet. Drugs is rampant also here, but mass surrender has started. Pati pala sa Bohol.
Yan ang boss ko si Mayor, Secretary Evasco.
Secretary Evasco.
Ka-text ko pa nga kahapon.
Good evening mga sir. Sayang hindi naabutan ni Visconde na si Duterte na naging presidente na seryoso sa droga. Manahimik na sana siya. Kawawa naman at namatay na siya. Di ba? I-passed away. Good evening. Sana po ay totohanin ng presidente itong mga local politicians dito sa Ozamis. Ozamis na naman. Dapat na talaga maputol itong kasinungalingan nila. Pang-uuto nila. Saludos ako sa bagong presidente natin. Sana bigyan natin ng atensyon ang mga computer shop na dapat may limit ang pagsasara kasi nasisira ang kinabukasan ng kabataan. Naglalaro ng Dota from Baguio City, pati yan.
Mukha yatang more than 16 million votes yung kay Duterte last time, kung representative yung text mo.
Yeah, all over the
Parang
country
90% yata.
Magandang gabi siguro ang dapat gawin ng Duterte admin, ang drug laboratory ang target na makuha nila. Alam mo, yung mga texters dito, pag galit sila. They say what they want to say, just like on social media. We're very happy to deserve a president who can eliminate drug syndicates, corruption, criminals, etc. Taga Cagayan de Oro po ako, ask lang kailan ba magtatayo si President Duterte ng Department of OFW na ahensya.
Pinaplansya pa yata yan, but I know that that's one of the priorities talaga of President Duterte.
From Zamboanga, Sibugay, marami ditong drug lord, addict, parang tahimik naman ang mga pulis dito sa amin, walang aksyon.
7 days pa lang naman, di ba? 6 days pa lang nga eh.
Magandang gabi, from Maguindanao po ako. Ayon ako sa Pangulo, dapat aksyonan ang mga paghuhuli ng mga pulis na nanloloko. Good evening, Duterte, siya po ang Lee Kuan Yew ng Singapore. Siguro Lee Kuan Yew
Ng Pilipinas.
Sana maging isang Singapore po ang ating bayan from Paco, Manila.
Sana po.
Saan ang human rights sa mga pinatay na drug users, pushers? Sabihin nyo yan sa due process from Cagayan de Oro. Kababayan mo to.
Okay.
Taga Cagayan de Oro po, ito na ba yung ahensya? Nag-uulit-ulit yung mga text. Maraming pang text yung mga natin. Good evening. Sana po ma-drug test din ng mga pulis sa Palawan. Sa Palawan naman yun. Sana matapos na ang naggagamit ng drugs from San Jose, Camarines Sur.
Dami yan,
Nationwide.
May spy network ka na.
Good evening. Super proud kami kay President Duterte. Quezon, Palawan, Vice Mayor namin, drug den ang warehouse nila. Sana i-surveillance ng PNP. May mga nakikinig dito from the PNP at saka I'm sure Mr. Lavinia is taking
Sana
note.
nakikinig si Chief PNP, si Bato.
Yes, you will not tolerate that. Magandang gabi po. Itanong ko po sana kung ano ang dapat gawin kasi po ang aking anak ay 2 taon na nasa listahan ng 4Ps na pinapipirmahan sa paaralan. Ngunit wala kaming natatanggap na pera. Ito siguro yung scam, ano? Maraming salamat po. Joy from Aborlan, Palawan. So this is what they have to install.
Yeah. Yung last one, siguro pwede mo akong i-message kung may detalye ka talaga ng pangalan, at saan, at anong nangyayari, no? Punta ka na lang sa Facebook page ko, myduterte.com, myduterte.com. Yun ang Facebook page ko.
Doon kayo magsumbong.
Doon kayo magsumbong, ipasa natin. But eventually, I think the police will also set up their own social media. In fact, yan ang sasuggest ko sa kanila, Tinino, when I go speak to them next week.
Excellent. Time is, naubos na yung oras natin. I'd like to give this opportunity for you to address our viewers here on Libertas and...
Well, I hope na we all made history the last time with the elections sa social media by electing our first social media elected president. Without social media, I don't think we would have won as convincingly. But siguro, the more important thing is we don't consider na tapos na yung trabaho natin. We now make social media part of governance.
Right.
So ito lang, di ba, sa crime, pwede kayo mag-report, pero dapat responsible din. Huwag tayo mag-report dahil kalaban lang natin sa politika. No? And on the side of the government, I think it's a way to really reach out and alamin talaga ano yung importante sa mga tao, di ba? And now we move on to the next fight. So please join us because we're now going to be fighting for federalism. Just because my constitutional convention doesn't automatically mean na federalism, di ba? Federalism basically means na yung power, the money goes closer to the people. Like sa amin, Tonino, di ba? Sa Mindanao, I think we send out 30-35% before of the taxes, and then bumabalik doon 20% lang. Lumuluhod ka pa sa presidente, di ba? That's not the exact percentages, ha? And then napupunta pa sa corruption. Some are saying with federalism, this can be addressed, no? So please join me. Yung page ko is myduterte.com, and we will be discussing federalism there, and we hope you support us. People from Cagayan de Oro, let's all band together. Alam kong meron ng mga Duterte organizations dyan maybe we can move forward now and focus on federalism.
So thank you so much, Pompey, for joining me in this show. And we will be seeing more of Pompey Lavinia in many other media shows. And I'm sure he'll be speaking on federalism and other issues. And you can always get in touch with him through social media because he's always available. So thank you so much. Thank you, Pompey. Thank you to all
Thank
our
you.
televiewers. 100 text messages pa, hindi ko mabasa. I'm sorry, naubos na yung oras natin. Good evening, this is Libertas, signing off.
Ngayon,